So before I even start this video, I would like to say that the company that creates this product that the video is on today, their customer service has been amazing. I cannot deny that they have been immediately responsive with solutions and everything, but as you'll see from the video, I'm not happy with it. Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, ches yak shimash and good day y'all, shalom y'all. So today we are going to do something a little bit different. This is the second time I'm filming this video from scratch. The first time I filmed it, I had an issue. So let me explain what today's video is about, probably guessed. Ta-da! Now you probably would have seen many of these adverts on social medias and places regarding this product, and it is very simply, let's take a look at the box and the instructions. Before, make yourself comfortable that you could be in the shower, on the loo, or preferably while standing up and not in a public area. Trim around your doodah hair short, around a centimeter. This will make shaving easier. Warm 'em up in a hot shower can help to relax and lubricate the skin. During pulling the skin taut, this will make smoother and a lot easier to trim. Using the trimming guards will help you get a more consistent length. Shave in the direction of your hair with smooth strokes. Slowly and steadily win the race. Be gentle with your doodahs. You're probably quite attached to them. After, rinse off, pat yourself on the back. You've just earned a new skill that'll make you both feel refreshed and be cleaner. There we go. So this is welcome. We founded doodahs to make male grooming easier. We know looking after your prized possessions is no easy task, and we're here to help. Whether it's keeping them trim, clean, or smelling amazing, we develop products to keep your doodahs happy. So thank you for buying from doodahs and for being part of our incredible community. Tyler Ball is the co-founder. Right, okay, Tyler Ball, that is his name. So the guy who created this product is actually called Ball. Well, like Cannon and Ball, I'm not making fun of the name, but it's quite ironic that that's his surname and that's the product that he has co-founded. We save doodahs. Right, so in the box we have the razor itself. Underneath there is another little box. I've already done this once, so I'm doing this for a second time. And inside here we have a little brush to help brush out the crumbs. We have a USB charging cable, which is very handy, and we have two combs with different lengths on each side, so they're double use, and it's marked on there: 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, and 6mm, and these just easily clip on like so. Hang on, hold your horses. Well, there must be a knack to this. I'm probably just doing it wrong. Hang on a second. Ah, there we go. So that's how you clip them on. And then swap sides. And then, okay, so once you get the knack of it, it's quite easy to clip these blades on and off. Now, why did I have to record this for a second time? The second time, because I had an issue. When I wanted to remove this, I removed it like so, and it broke. These two little plastic nubbins came off, and there was just absolutely no way that I could get this back together to hold in place because I had the things had broken off, and I genuinely thought that I was doing it right, because I had it clipped in like so, and then I gently just did this and they broke. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the part of what happened, and then we'll come back. Obviously, you open it by pushing that way and it comes out. There's a little spring and there's the razor. Oh God, here we go. Let's just put that back into position. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, hang on. There's 2 holes there that it goes into. Why does that come off? Okay, so that is a little bit fiddly. Why is that not? I did pre-charge this up. Let me just get the adapter. All clips on like so. Well, that's not right. There's 2 little tiny pieces of plastic that have broken off that. Well, that sounds awful. And it doesn't cut properly either. Well, that is horrendously weak. So as you saw there in the video, that's what happened. So I ended the video. I immediately sent an email to the company. They were absolutely amazing. I explained everything to them, what had happened, what I was doing, making the video, So they sent me a GIF of how to take it on and off. And they kindly sent me out a free replacement blade, no questions asked, no charge whatsoever. So they sent me out a replacement blade. So this is the replacement blade. Right, so this fits onto it the same. Right, okay, let's have a look at this. Right, so this is the broken one. That fits onto there, that fits onto there, and that fits into there. So that looks exactly the same as that. Okay. Yeah, loose, so they come off. So if I pop this one in, pop it off, pop it back on, that sounds awful. That sounds absolutely awful. That did not sound like that at all when I first got it, before I did any of these videos. It did not sound like that. Now this is the old blade. That is suddenly sounding a lot better. Well, that works pretty good. Okay, let's put the new blade in. Oh. Now all of a sudden it's working absolutely fine. Now you heard it when I first switched it on. So it says to cut in the direction of the hair. Sacrificing my arm hair for this video. I mean, I'll play you a snip of the video now. I haven't done anything different, as you can just see. It just sounds completely different. Still a bit rattly. So it's done my arm. So it's done my arm, fine. You can just brush out the bits. So let's take this off gently. That sounds awful. Here you are, and it's not cutting. It's not cutting. It did a minute ago. Let's try it again. No, not cutting. Let's put this one back in. And that's not cutting now either. This thing costs 50 quid. I'm starting to lose my patience now. I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. Make sure that's in the center then. Make sure that's in the center. Clip it in, clip it on. Not shaving. How can it suddenly just stop working? Right, let's try it again. And now it's not cutting again. Oh, do you know what? Sorry there, my phone was going off. Right, let me get some razor oil. Now, I'm sending this back to Balls because that is just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous that it's not working there. This cost 50 quid. No. I'm not happy with it at all. The blades are just not right. No, I'm sending it back. Right, okay, so this is the part one of the Balls razor, and yeah, we will see if the outcome is good. But I'm putting this up, and I'm putting it out on YouTube because I'm not impressed with it so far. For 50 quid, that looks like something that could have been bought for 20. So I try to be as positive as I can, and it's just not working. So I'm going to send this back. So sorry about that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye, y'all.